Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Not bad, thank you. You know that you're having an oral test this time. First of all, I want you to tell me something about yourself. Do you mind?
No, not at all. My name is Aswati Gogo. You can call me Tapi. I am 12 years old. I live at Kalongan Gadinda. My telephone number 88021. I study SMP 1 Cikarang Barat and class 7.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia.
Why do you study English?
It's an international language. I must be able to speak it well.
How often do you study English here?
Twice a week, Tuesday and Friday.
Do you think twice a week is enough?
No, I don't think so. However, I also study English at school.
Do you have any problem studying English?
Yes, of course. Grammar is a little bit difficult for me.
Anything else?
Yes, it is still hard for me to speak English fluently.
Don't worry, you solve it. Goodbye for now.
Bye.